Glioma is a dangerous type of brain tumor, and the shocking part is this. Your own neurons, the brain cells that send messages, accidentally help this tumor grow. Neurons communicate using tiny electrical waves called action potentials. Action potentials are small bursts of electricity that travel along neurons to transmit information. Each action potential causes the neuron to release a chemical called glutamate. Glutamate is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that neurons use to communicate. Glioma cells form special connections with neurons, called neurogliomal synapses. A synapse is a tiny gap between two cells where chemical signals are passed. Neurogliomal synapses are connections where tumor cells directly link to neurons. Glioma cells have receptors on their surface, like locks, called AMPA receptors and NMDA receptors. Receptors are proteins that receive chemical messages, and glutamate acts as the key that opens these locks. When glutamate binds to these receptors, they open and allow calcium ions, or Ca2+, to enter the tumor cell. Calcium ions are tiny charged particles that act like switches inside cells, turning on processes that promote tumor growth. More calcium means the tumor grows faster. Glioma cells also release their own glutamate. Too much glutamate causes excitotoxicity, where neurons are overstimulated and die. Dead neurons create empty space, and the tumor quickly expands into that space. Surviving neurons fire more, releasing more glutamate, creating a loop that fuels tumor growth. Inside glioma cells, calcium activates growth pathways such as MAPK or ERK and AKT or mTOR. These pathways are chains of proteins acting like communication highways. MAPK or ERK tell the tumor to divide faster, while AKT or mTOR help the tumor survive stress and resist dying. Together, they enable aggressive growth. Neurons also release BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that normally helps neurons grow. Glioma hijacks BDNF through a receptor called TRKB, allowing the tumor to survive. Neurons release Neuroligin-3, a molecule acting as a mitogen, which tells cells to divide faster. Glioma cells connect using gap junctions, tiny bridges allowing electrical